Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some Zobo drink using the Zobo flower. I think the English name for that is Hibiscus flower. So let's just get right into the video. So for ingredients, we have some pineapple, cucumber, beetroot, clove, some Zobo leaves, and also going to add some ginger as well. So here you can see I've washed my pineapple, I've peeled it, and I separated the pineapple from its peel. I've also chopped some cucumber as well. So this is my clove, my ginger, and also a little bit of beetroot. I actually use all the beetroots, guys. So here is my Zobo leaf, also called hibiscus. So let's get into blending all the fruits together. So I'm just going to blend the pineapple, the cucumber, and the beetroot together. I'll blend all that and I will see you guys when I'm done. So guys, I'm done blending the fruits together. I'm just going to sieve this fruit using a sieve. And guys, you can actually take this on its own without no extra. It's actually a healthy fruit. It's a combination of pineapple, cucumber, and a little bit of beetroot, and it's so delicious. You do not need sugar for this, guys. You do not need sugar for this. Guys, this could pass as a drink on its own. I love the color, I love the taste. It tastes so fantastic. But well, we're going to add some Zobo juice in it as well. So let's just get right into the video and make our Zobo drink. So guys, for my Zobo drink, I'm adding my Zobo flower. I'm also going to add the pineapple peel that I washed. I will throw in some ginger, just one. I'm actually using one ginger, and I will also add our cloves. So I'll let this come to a boil. After it has come to a boil, I will leave it for another 2 minutes to really boil before I take it down and sieve it. So let's get right into it. Our Zobo leaf is cooked right now. I will just take my sieve and sieve out the juice, and we will get right into making our Zobo drink. So guys, we're done sieving now. I'll just add the extracted juice to the Zobo, and I'm just going to stir it properly. And yeah, I'm also going to add about 3 spoons of sugar to it, just because I want a little bit of extra sweetness. But yeah, this Zobo is actually very healthy. We used all natural ingredients here except the sweetener which we added to it. But yes, it's actually very healthy for you, way more preferable than soda drinks. So I think guys, you guys should try out this recipe and tell me what you think. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to tell your friends, share this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe guys. I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Bye.